Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be sharing a power hour with you guys. The house isn't really that messy, but it definitely needs to be tidied up. So I think a power hour is going to be perfect for that. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, it's about 11:30 when I get started, and I decided to start with a load of laundry because I knew that would take a little over an hour, so I wanted to go ahead and get that going in the washing machine. And I also had a load of clothes in the dryer that I needed to go ahead and get folded.
I'm here if you still want me, and we will never be apart.
So I never knew what a power hour was until I started watching YouTube videos, and I'm so glad that I found it. It's my absolute favorite way to clean. There's something about racing the clock and challenging yourself to see how much you can get done, and I'm always amazed at how much I actually get done in that hour.
I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night.
Now that those clothes are folded and put away, I decided, since I was already here, to go ahead and clean off the dining room table. That way I can move on to the next thing. Moving on into the kitchen, it really was not that bad. I just had a few things on the countertops that needed to be put away, and then a few dishes to take care of. I wanted to take a second to say thank you to you guys for watching my videos and for your sweet comments and for all of your support. It really does mean so much to me, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it.
So I want to know, do you guys enjoy doing power hours in your home, or do you not like doing it? Like I said, this is one of my favorite ways to clean, and I'm always so amazed at how much I can get done in an hour. I absolutely love doing these. I will do these throughout the week if I find that the house is getting a little out of control or a little messy, or even if I just need to tackle a few things, I will set a timer and I will get it done.
Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, minutes. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say.
For the countertops, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mum scent. I have to admit, the first time I smelled this scent was this season, and I hated it. I did not like it at all, but I smelled it again the other day, and I actually really liked it. I bought the candle first for my office, but then I decided I wanted to come back and get the spray to use in my home, and I just love it. It's not overly floral, and it just smells really clean, and I like to switch it up because I was using the apple cider scent for a while, but I have really been enjoying this one, and it makes my entire living area smell so good.
I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up.
So I am about halfway through my power hour, and I'm done with the dining room and the kitchen, so I'm going to move on to the living room. Again, there's really not much in here. It's just kind of tidying up and putting things where they belong, but it's not a whole lot that really needs to be done in here.
Through from this lucky day, yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Moving on to the bedroom, I needed to go ahead and open up the blinds. I like to do this most days just to let a little natural light in. It just makes it feel so airy, and I like looking into my bedroom and seeing the bed made and the natural light coming in with the lamps. I don't know, there's something about it that I enjoy looking at.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
No surprise that my bathroom countertop was a little messy. There were some things that I needed to put away, and I also wanted to just quickly wipe it down to get rid of any makeup or anything like that was on the countertop.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Have you guys tried any of the Mrs. Meyer's fall scents, or really just any of the Mrs. Meyer's? I want to know, what is your favorite scent? I really like the bluebell, and then of course the fall scents that I've been using and the lavender. Those are some of my favorites. But I am getting ready to order some of the peppermint scent. I love that. I actually got it for a friend last year for Christmas, and I loved it so much. I was so disappointed that I did not get it for myself, but I will definitely be getting it this year. I had a little bit of time left in my hours, so I decided to go ahead and clean off the dresser. Really, this was the last thing in the house that needed to be cleaned anyway, and I was waiting on the clothes to finish up, so I took advantage of that and went ahead and cleaned off the dresser. So I did end up going a few minutes over my hour, but it was really because I was waiting on those clothes that were in the washing machine. I actually took a little bit of a break while I was waiting on those to finish. I had about 5 minutes left. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to tackle a power hour. If it did, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join this amazing little family I have here on YouTube. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye.
The way you